How to update to iOS 17 using iTunes on Windows. In this video, we will show you how to update iPhone software using iTunes on a Windows laptop. It's good to back up your iPhone before updating to the latest iOS version. We have created a separate video on how to back up your iPhone using iTunes. Please check the video description. Let's start. To update iPhone software, first we need to download and install the latest version of iTunes. Open any web browser and go to apple.com/iTunes. Click Get it from Microsoft Store. Click Get in the Store app. Click Open Microsoft Store. Click Install. Once installed, click Open to start iTunes app. Connect your iPhone to your computer via Wi-Fi or with original USB-C cable. On your phone, tap Trust this computer and enter your passcode. In the iTunes app on your PC, click Continue. Then, click the device button near the top left of the iTunes window. Click Summary. Here you can see a newer version of the iOS is available. To update to latest software, click Update. Click Update. Click Next. Click Agree. Now, enter the passcode on your phone to continue the iOS update. iTunes is downloading software update and will install it when the download is complete. It will take some time, so please wait and leave your iPhone connected. iTunes is preparing to update the software. Please make sure your iPhone screen is not locked. Your iPhone has been updated and is restarting. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes after it restarts. Hope this video helped you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.